Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Tishka Goswami, and if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell icon as well to stay connected. So moving on to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contour your nose. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. So as you guys can see right now, I have not contoured my nose, and I'm just gonna take the two shades which is shown on the screen. This is a cream contour which I'm using right now, and I'm just gonna apply it on the side corners of my nose. Now here, as you can see, I'm done applying the contour cream on both sides of my nose. So now I'm just gonna blend it towards the downward direction. Now the next step is to apply a concealer on the both sides of your nose. Now the next step is to blend that concealer. So here you can either use a blending sponge, or you can also use a brush or even your fingertips. Now take some loose powder and apply it above the concealer. And that's it. Here we are done with contouring our nose. So with this video comes to an end, and I will see you guys next week. Till that time, you guys take care, and if you guys like this video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Bye bye.